Today, I'm going to walk you through how to change your Google Chrome profile picture. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to personalize Chrome so the browser truly feels like yours. Whether you want to add a favorite selfie, a pet photo, or a fun illustration, this simple step can brighten up your browsing experience and even make it easier to spot your profile when using multiple Chrome accounts. Let's get right into it. First things first, you want to open up your Google Chrome browser. Make sure you're signed into the account whose profile picture you want to update. You can do this on any device, but for this tutorial, I'll assume you're on your computer since it's the most common way. Once Chrome is open, type in www.google.com right into the address bar at the top. This just ensures you're on Google's homepage, which is nice and uncluttered to work with. It's a good starting point for finding your profile controls. Now, glance up to the upper right corner of your browser window. You'll notice a small circular icon. That's your profile picture. It might be a generic avatar right now, or maybe something you chose in the past. Either way, this is what we're about to change. Go ahead and click on that circular icon. It may take a second for the options to appear, but that's perfectly normal. Clicking it opens a drop-down with some account details, including your name and email. Now, look closely. In that little window, you'll see your current profile image. Hover over it, and you'll notice you can actually click right on the image itself. This might seem a bit hidden, so don't worry if you didn't spot it right away. Click the profile picture, and Chrome will bring up the options for changing it. This is the main area for editing your profile picture. You'll see you're given two options: change or remove. If you want to get rid of your current photo entirely and go back to the default avatar, just hit remove. But for today, let's go ahead and select change to update your picture. Now, Google will give you two main methods for changing your profile image. The first is to pick from the built-in illustrations and avatars. These are neat little graphics, a rainbow of choices that feel light and friendly. If you're in the mood for something quirky or cartoonish, these are a fun option. The second method is to upload a photo right from your computer. This is great if you have a favorite family photo, a sleek logo, or any personal image you want to use. Take your time scrolling through the illustrations or browse your files to find that perfect shot. Remember, the image doesn't have to be professional. Something that makes you smile works best. Once you've decided, simply select the illustration or the file from your computer. Chrome might preview your selection so you can double-check everything looks good. When you're happy with your choice, hit Next. Now, before you wrap up, make sure to click Save as Profile Picture. This is the final step. Without saving, your changes won't appear. Give it a second to update. Sometimes it takes a moment before the new image is fully loaded in Chrome. And just like that, your Google Chrome profile has a fresh new look. It's a small change, but it can really help your account feel more personal and organized, especially if you juggle multiple profiles, share your computer, or just want to brighten your browser. If this video was helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or if you ran into any roadblocks along the way, drop a comment below. I'm happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.